Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. These are the ONEMIX Rebound Slippers Originals. All right, super thick here. This is like all like looks like one piece here. Interesting heel design there. We have the large bump under the heel. Looks like these will be quite cushiony. So these come in 3 different colors: black, ivory, and pink. All just like one solid piece here. Yeah, looks like we've got a nice tread here. I like that it doesn't have the solid. Some slippers are just kind of a flat surface here, and if they can be kind of treacherous if you step on like a wet concrete floor or something. There's nothing to really grab onto, so I like that it has the ridges there for a little bit better traction. Let's go ahead and try these on and see how comfortable they are. They're kind of a unique design. I've never seen this type with the this bump here under the heel. I guess that's part of the rebound device there. It also has some arch support here as well, so it seems like nicely contoured. And let's go try them on, shall we? Okay, let's try these ONEMIXes on here. Are kind of snug. Kind of just work your feet forward there. Okay, initially pretty comfortable. It's got they do say rebound, and it definitely feels like it's pushing back up on your feet once you step off a little bit. So I have the concrete here. These are quite comfortable. And then the rocky surface, good support. Don't feel like they're falling off or anything. And just on the grass here, as far as like, seem to have really good traction here. Well, let's try to run a little bit in these. So I guess as long as you're not trying to like corner anything crazy, these things are super comfortable. They're lightweight, probably really easy to clean. They're kind of like seamless, so if you go to the beach or something, need to get the sand off, be super easy just to kind of wash them off there. Really like the thickness of these. They seem to offer some nice traction as well. So easy to put on, easy to take off, super easy to clean. They look pretty cool as well. Yeah, just nice little slippers. If you guys are interested in purchasing these slippers, I'll link them in the description below. If you use that link, you receive an additional 10% off of anything you buy on the ONEMIX website. So some pretty sweet little slippers here. Thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. Hope it's helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.